Deciding between a 4-year degree and a 2-year degree, I did have a lot of trouble, especially starting out. I originally wanted to be a mechanical engineer, and so I was signed up for all those programs, and I kind of got going through the process, and I knew I didn't want to go to school for 4 years. Thinking about all that kind of crushed my spirits in a way. I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do. Obviously, business runs the world, so that was always a direct track for me to go out and be hireable anywhere. And the options that this 2-year degree has even allowed me are just as good in my opinion.
As a career and technical education program, we have what's called a TAC committee. It's TAC Technical Advisory Committee. We meet with them once every semester, twice a year, to say, is what we're teaching relevant and needed in the industry today? So that we know that our graduates are coming out with stuff that is needed. And then of course we have partnerships with all of those employers as well, so we set them up.
Me and 2 of my buddies are paired together in a group, and our goal is to design this bike, and then we got to go through and set up manufacturing, the location of our stores, and design the product. We're working together as a team, and we all get to bounce ideas off each other and brainstorm together and, be a kind of cohesive unit and making decisions. And that, is beneficial for me in a lot of ways, and I think that'll allow me to become a more effective business leader in the future.
Our program is perfect for the person who has an idea for a business, if they've got a business they want to run, if they're already running or going to take over a family business. We can get you in and out in a semester, a 1-year certificate, a 2-year associate's degree, or if you'd like, a 4-year bachelor's degree. Contact our student services, our marketing department, set up a tour. Come and meet the faculty, come and see our facilities, even come and sit in the class.